Let's face it, we want what we want and we want it now. And I want you to watch this video to learn how you can manifest faster and 10x your manifestation speed. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariol. I am a psychologist and I'm the owner of Conscious Life Shop. And I post weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So if you like videos like that, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post every Thursday. The longer you don't have what you're trying to manifest, the longer you have to deal with the problems that come along with not having what you want, whether that's loneliness, whether that's debt, sadness, or even stress. By the end of this video, you will know how to manifest quickly and truly reduce the time it takes to manifest your dreams. So these are the law of attraction techniques that I have discovered work best for manifesting faster. So the first 3 tips are based on Abraham Hicks' theory of fanning wanting in order to manifest faster. So what is fanning wanting? Fanning wanting is just kind of stoking your inner fire for what it is that you want. You want to really increase your desire for what it is that you want, because the more your thoughts are placed on what you want, the more you're stoking that fire, the faster the things you want will come to you. So my first tip for fanning your wanting, or stoking the fire as I like to call it, is to create a vision board. This is a great way to keep your mind on it, what it is that you want, and you see it every day, so your mind is automatically envisioning and visualizing what it is that you want. Keeping your mind on what it is that you want through visualization or through pictures like on your vision board really helps you manifest faster, and it's a tried and true technique that I'm sure you've heard of before and you know has worked for a lot of people. And I have a video on how to actually create a vision board that works, because there are some do's and don'ts that go along with vision boards using the law of attraction, and I will link that video down below. My second tip is to use a technique called scripting, and I have a video that's going to be coming out next week, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel on how to do scripting using the law of attraction, which is essentially a journaling technique that helps you really focus your mind but also your emotions on what it is that you want, and that way you can stoke that fire and manifest faster. My last tip for stoking that fire and keeping your thoughts on what it is that you want is something called a visualization workshop. This is a technique that I learned from the law of attraction, Abraham Hicks techniques, and basically what it is, you spend about 15 minutes of your day visualizing what it is that you want. So throughout your day you may see things that you want, and I want you to take those things into your workshop. So you'll set aside 15 minutes, you'll close your eyes, and it's not meditation, it's just kind of like daydreaming. You're just simply fantasizing about what it is that you want, and you're taking in evidence from the world that you've seen around you of things that you want, like if you saw a Porsche on the street that you wanted, or you also may just be imagining things that you've never even seen in reality. So you just take that time to really focus your mind on it, and it really truly helps you manifest faster. And my last tip for manifesting quickly is to take the path of least resistance. So when we're caught up on things like limiting beliefs or stress in our life, or really working harder and not smarter, we actually take longer to manifest what it is that we want. So I want you to take the path of least resistance and flow with your abundance. And an easy way to do that is to just vibrate high. And I have a video on how to do that, which I'll link below. But every day I want you to seek joy and feel satisfied, because the more you seek joy and come from a place of satisfaction, the more you build momentum to really attract what it is that you want. So as long as you're in that space, that vortex of high vibrations of joy, of gratitude, of love, then you're going to attract that same energy, and what you want to happen is just not only just a matter of time, but a shorter amount of time compared to if you weren't doing that. So really flow with your life, try to live easily, live happily, you deserve it, and vibrate high as much as possible. Again, if that's something that you're struggling with, you want to know how to experience joy on a daily basis, I have a video on that that's based in evidence-based psychology that I think you should really check out. But yeah, just take the path of least resistance. So now that you know exactly how to 10x your manifestation speed, you may be wondering, how do I put all this manifestation stuff together on a daily basis? And I have a free daily routine manifestation guide that I will link in the description below, completely free, where you can just get a guide on how to create a manifestation routine for yourself. So if you like these tips and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, namaste.